Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with some really great products from RHINOSHIELD for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max in their print versions. So we've already reviewed most of these in depth with the plain versions. Today we're going to be looking at prints, and all of these are going to be on sale for RHINOSHIELD's big Black Friday sale, which has already started, and my affiliate discount code for my Tech Reviewer viewers is going to stack on top of those discounts so you can save even more. So some really good deals there. So today we're going to be looking at the RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit case, RHINOSHIELD Clear, and RHINOSHIELD Mod NX case in their print versions, as well as print versions of various accessories, such as the ones for AirPods, AirTags, and the brand new Grip O grip and stands. So really cool stuff. Let's get started. Looking first at RHINOSHIELD's phone cases, you got the SolidSuit, you got the Clear, and you've got the Mod NX. So these three phone case models have a lot of similarities. They're going to offer the same over 11 feet of drop protection, very impressive, and they are made of a food-grade plastic, which is BPA, BPF, BPS free. They're made of a monomaterial, which makes them 100% recyclable, and they all feature swappable button colors for an easy splash of color. In terms of size, you're going to have the biggest case being your Mod NX. That one is going to be the tallest and the widest and the thickest. And then the other two are really very similar. So your SolidSuit and your Clear are going to be very, very close in size, but the Clear is still going to be the smallest. So it's just going to be very slightly shorter than your SolidSuit and not quite as wide, but it's a tiny, tiny difference. And in terms of thickness, these two are going to be the same thickness. So these two are going to be one-piece cases, and your Mod NX is a two-piece case. Your Mod NX is going to be able to be switched between being a bumper case and a full case just by sliding in and out this back plate. So that's kind of a cool feature. And it's probably going to be the grippiest of the cases because you have a slightly textured side on here, and that's going to give you more grip. The second one in terms of grip is going to be your Clear. The Clear is surprisingly grippy. It doesn't look like it should be, but the material is somehow not that slippery. Unfortunately, your SolidSuit case is that slippery. It is super, super slippery. So taking a quick look at these cases, starting with the Mod NX. The Mod NX is probably the most versatile of these cases because it can switch in between being a full case, as we have now, and a bumper case if you just simply remove this bumper. You also have a lot of protection for the rear of the case in terms of scratching and also impact because the back plate area is more deeply inset. So actually, if you put this on its back, then your nice little NASA space shuttle print here is never actually going to touch a flat surface because you've got this rim that runs all the way around. So that's going to help against scratching and maybe a little bit with fingerprints. It also gives you something to hang on to with this case. So I find that the Mod NX is overall probably the most grippy, that and the textured sides. And then looking at the front here, you've got a decent amount of lip running around here to protect your screen. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here. If I didn't have that on here, you would have more visible lip. But even with it, definitely plenty of lip. Everything looks good here in terms of our port openings, except for the fact that you do have symmetrical port openings instead of asymmetrical port openings. But besides that, no problems. You can switch out your button colors. In fact, I already did. This case comes with white buttons, and I switched them out for red because I think red looks great. And these buttons are very responsive. I think everything works extremely well with them. And you do have a covered action button. Again, very responsive, really nice buttons here. So one of the things which is really cool about RHINOSHIELD's cases is their MagSafe strength. So they have twice the MagSafe strength of your typical MagSafe case. So when you combine that with a MagSafe accessory from RHINOSHIELD, you've got super strong MagSafe accessory, super strong MagSafe case, and it's just a really good combo. So RHINOSHIELD has a new MagSafe accessory now, the Grip O. It just came out. And this one is going to obviously attach magnetically, really strong magnets. And this one can be a grip and a stand. So as a grip, everything works well, nice and tight, very, very strong magnets. And so you can use this one as a stand as well in landscape, but you can also use it as a portrait stand if you flip out this bottom bit here and then pull up. So it's really a pretty good portrait stand. It's not perfect. If you jostle it a lot, it will eventually fall over, particularly if you start doing that. Eventually it's going to fall. But usually with the Pro, you're okay. Pro Max is a little bit trickier because, of course, the Pro Max is heavier. But still, as long as you don't jostle it, I think that you're going to be in good shape. And it's a really pretty good stand. And definitely in landscape, everything works really well. So I'm really liking this. So this is available both in the plain version that you see here, as well as a variety of prints. So we've got this cool one here with this wave print. That's a fun one. And then I've got another one here with a smiley face somewhere that I'm going to show you later. So again, that's the Grip O. So everything works really well with that. Super fun. Really nice addition to any RHINOSHIELD case. So moving on to the RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit case. This is just a really nice case on the phone. So fit-wise, you got a great fit, nice tight fit, very little give anywhere. You have the ability to swap out your buttons for a different color, although this time I left the buttons on here in the same orange color that they came with, but I could certainly swap them out for another color. Those are normally $1.99 per set of button colors, and right now you can get them for $1.49 per set of button colors, although honestly they used to be 99 cents per set when they came bundled with the case, so it's a little bit more expensive now than usual, but still a really good deal. And then you also have the ability to swap out your camera rim color on here as well. So there's a lot of really basic customization stuff you can do. And then of course you can also go with a print. So this particular print design is one of their standard prints, the original designs that come from RHINOSHIELD. So these cost a little bit less, but they are also really nice. So I think everything looks great there. And then of course this is going to be compatible with this new Grip O that I was just showing you. And so this one again, you can do the whole stand thing. Everything works well. I mean, it's more or less stable. Definitely going to be stable in landscape. And then if you flip that over and decide to go with the grip thing, then the grip works really well. Again, very nice, strong magnets here. So, very cute case. The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that it is, in my opinion, too slippery. But not everybody wants a grippy case, and for those people that don't want a grippy case, then this is a great option. And then finally, we've got the RHINOSHIELD Clear. Lots to love with the Clear. The Clear has only one real downside, and that is that once you get it on, it's pretty hard to get off. But once it's on, it's great. It is a beautiful case. It is the smallest of all the RHINOSHIELD cases. You've got a rock solid fit on here. There is no give anywhere. Fantastic case. You still have the ability to swap out your buttons and your back rim color. So that's all cool. Really, everything is fantastic about this case. It's even grippier than you might think. Again, not a grippy case, but really for a clear case, not a very slippery case. It's definitely grippier than your SolidSuit case. But the problem is getting it off is really hard. This is a very difficult case to remove from your phone, so it is not a good choice if you are a frequent case changer or if you're the kind of person that gets really nervous when removing tight cases from your phone. So you got to keep that in mind. But other than that, awesome case. And of course, it's available in a wide variety of prints. So this one here is again one of the in-house prints that RHINOSHIELD has. So it's one that is not that expensive. And I think it looks really cool on a clear case. Really, really nice. And again, you got those same super strong magnets on here. So this is going to work great with the Grip O. So for fans of grips, you're going to really enjoy that. Nice grip and nice stand, and of course the ability to go with your portrait stand as well. So overall, just a lovely case, but just to give you an idea about how hard this one is to get off, even for me, it takes quite a lot. So for this one, removing it, you just have to start up in your top right-hand corner, push it off a little bit, and go to your top left-hand corner, Push off a little bit more and then just go back and forth, and then eventually it will come off, but it's not easy. Kind of hurts your fingers because this is a hard material, but then you can finally kind of pry out your phone. But still, despite the fact that it's so difficult to remove, the RHINOSHIELD Clear is probably my favorite of the RHINOSHIELD cases this year. I think it's a beautiful case, has a great hand feel, and RHINOSHIELD guarantees that it is not going to turn yellow. So if it does turn yellow, they will replace it under warranty. So really, really nice case from RHINOSHIELD. So finally, looking at another one of the SolidSuit cases here in the beautiful Tide Blue color on the 15 Pro Max. Got a very nice print design on here as well. So the reason that I wanted to show you this one was to show you how the Grip O works with a larger phone. So if you attach on your Grip O, again, we got great magnets on here, not a problem there. And certainly when you're using this as a grip, everything is going to work great. And no problem, again, in landscape mode, pretty much what you'd expect. But when you put this one down in portrait mode, it's going to be a little bit more difficult for the stand to be stable. So it'll stand up, but if you push it even just a little bit, it is likely to fall over. So we got to keep that in mind. Now, if you don't push it, if you just leave it alone, it's going to work fine. Not a problem. But because you have a heavier phone, you're just not going to have the stability that you have with a lighter weight phone. Other than that, though, I think it works fine. So of course, RHINOSHIELD doesn't only make phone cases, they also make cases for a wide variety of other accessories, such as AirPods. So here is one of their first generation AirPods cases. This is actually not the one that they were supposed to send out. They were supposed to send out the second generation AirPods Pro, but they sent out the first generation AirPods. So it's a good thing that I had some old AirPods lying around in a drawer. So as you can see, it's a really nice looking little case. You got a little carabiner clip here on the side. It's two-piece case. You got the little top thing and bottom are separate. This, of course, will come in a variety of plain as well as print options, and you've got a variety of different colors to choose from as well, so it doesn't have to be purple. So this is just a really cute little accessory. It gives you a good amount of protection for your AirPods, gives you over 6 feet of drop protection, so that's awesome. And then they also have some really nice AirTag cases. These are available in both white and black as your base color. You can put your AirTag in here either silver side up or white side up. So if you have a custom engraving, you can also show that off. And these are made of the same type of material as the Mod NX, same sort of very slightly textured plastic, very pleasant to feel. This is going to give you 11 feet of drop protection for your AirTag, so it's super tough. And of course, you can customize this one. This is another one of the NASA prints, so that looks really cool. And this comes with 2 different types of clips. So you've got this small clip here, and then you can also have a larger carabiner clip too. So you can use these separately or together. Overall, just a really nice way to protect your AirTag and make it personal. And then one of my favorite RHINOSHIELD products, although perhaps one of the most unusual, the AquaStand. So this is a high quality water bottle. It's insulated stainless steel. It's going to keep your beverage hot or cold for 8 hours. So really great product there. And then this is also a MagSafe stand. So the MagSafe stand is integrated into the handle. You've got very strong magnets, adjustable angles, just a really great product. And now this is available in print options as well. Used to be you just had to go with black or white on this. Now you can jazz it up with various prints. So really great options there. So using this as a MagSafe stand, you can put your phone on here in landscape, you can move it to portrait, you can change your angles, so you have a wide variety of angles that this will work with. This is going to work with a big heavy phone like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's also going to work great with smaller phones as well. Overall, just a really great product from RHINOSHIELD, and just like with the rest of the products mentioned in this review, the AquaStand is going to be on sale for Black Friday. Again, we've been looking at a variety of RhinoShield products for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So all of these are going to be on sale for Black Friday. That sale goes through November 28th and is currently ongoing. So the SolidSuit case is going to come in 16 different colors and normally starts at $44.99 for the plain cases, but those are currently on sale for $35.99, while the premium collaboration prints are normally $52.99 and they're currently on sale for $42.39. And standard prints, which are normally $47.99, are on sale for $38.39. So you can definitely have some savings there. The Mod NX cases come in 9 colors, and they normally start at $50.99 for the plain versions, and those are currently on sale for $40.79, while the premium collaboration prints are normally $55.99, and those are now on sale for $41.43, while the standard prints, which are normally $53.99, are on sale for $43.19. The clear case is normally $46.99 for the plain version, currently on sale for $37.59, while the standard prints, which are normally $49.99, are now $39.99, and premium collaboration prints, which are normally $53.99, are now $43.19. AirTags are going to come in black and white, and the normal price is $22.99 for the plain versions, which are on sale for $17.24, and $24.99 normally for both standard and premium print versions, and those are going to range on sale from $18.74 to $19.99. AirPods cases come in 8 colors to choose from, and those are normally priced at $27.99 for plain versions, currently on sale for $18.19 for the AirPods version, and slightly more for the AirPods Pro 2 versions. But adding prints to your AirPods case adds $3 to the price, $5 more if you add a premium collaboration print, and those premium collaboration prints are discounted a bit less than the others for Black Friday. The brand new Grip-O magnetic stand and grip comes in both black and mirror options, and the non-print versions are normally priced at $26.99 but are currently on sale for $21.59, and the print versions are normally $28.99 and are currently on sale for $23.19. Finally, the AquaStand water bottle and stand in its stainless steel version comes in both black and white colors, and it's normally $59.99 but it's currently on sale for $47.99, and you're not going to pay anything extra for the print versions of this one. I'm not really sure why, but print versions, both premium and standard, as well as the plain bottles, are all the same price. So this Black Friday sale is going to go through Black Friday weekend, ending on November the 28th, so don't wait too long to make your RhinoShield purchase. And as long as you meet the minimum purchase amount of $50, you can save an additional 10% on your RhinoShield purchase by using the affiliate promo code, especially for my viewers, that you can find in the description below. Many thanks to the kind folks at RhinoShield for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these products or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.